I'll just put it up anyways. Oh my God, Becky, look at her butt.
Look at my. Yeah, there. That butt. What butt?
Anyway, you got too much butt. It's recording.
Oh.
We have the three amigos. They about to bust a BZ for us.
I can't even sing. I can't sing either. I'm gonna try.
That's all that God requires of you is that you try. Go ahead. Then I'll go straighten my hair out.
Hurry up, Miti.
Okay, hold on. Alright.
Are you ready?
Oh,
Down.
damn, my podcast is fired.
Alright. Are you guys ready?
I'm so ready.
To go to the movies.
Hurry up before I pee.
Well, you guys are killing me here.
Oh my God, her water broke.
Alright.
Man, that was so.
Okay, let's restart. Let's restart it.
What did it word?
I thought it was foul poison.
I thought it was foul.
Beauty,
I
don't
thought
Foul told him out.
it was foul.
Sorry, don't.
They say
just blame it on the
foul,
white
so
girl.
I'm like, okay.
No, that's what those Samoan kids told me. I was like,
Is it foul leval? Like that means look to the grass?
what is foul for me?
Foul make hugs or something like that.
Hug the grass? Oh, that's not even right either.
Okay.
Alright, let's do it. Let's do that. My bad, it's so.
Oh my God.
Oh, it's beautiful. I can't play.
No, you can play.
I can't play.
Oh my God.
I only can't even play.
Beauty, you know what you sound like when you talk? You sound like you're trying to talk to like little retarded kids like
You
I don't even
play.
like you're hella big.
I like that. Come on, play.
Hello? Yo. Yeah? She's downstairs. Who's this? Oh. Okay, hold on. We're trying to
Remix.
everything is solved.
What happens to this?
What remix?
Make the mix. I'll be right effing.
Zip so to the floor. Check it out.
I'm so lonely in here without my baby, and I'm just chill with my girls and my ladies. My girls and my ladies. What thing?
Backtracking on these feelings, trying to figure out what I do to make it go back. Just kidding. I don't
Keep
even know
going.
what I'm singing.
Damn, you guys still fighting over the song?
No, we're gonna freestyle.
That bathroom's like pissed though. You might not want to go in there.
Sounds like boys.
We
We just told the world that.
Yeah.
No, I'm waiting for my Snickers, but do you guys have a mirror? A mirror? Is there a mirror?
Oh yeah, right there. Oh, you want to see